Assalamu alaikum. My name is Camila Rozong. My cousin Vısal Şemş'ten Adıl. My cousin has been in our concentration camps since 2017. 2 weeks ago, he was reportedly used as a slave in a factory in Urumqi. Terrorist China take off my cousin right now. Where are my relatives? Where are my cousin? Where are my grandmother? Where my grandfather? I have no right to take our freedom. The world will no longer believe in your games. China is terrorist. China is liar. China is tricks.